Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Snowflake White Pearl 2017 Mazda CX-9 Sport, stock number 17M115. This is a courtesy vehicle that is very lightly used by our service department, so here you're going to get great low mileage along with a great low price. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim. We'll get a close-up on the tread of the tires here. You do have Yokohama Geolandar tires. Inside there's a black cloth upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row. Coming back to the second row, you've got seating for three back here. On the back of the center console, you've got rear climate controls. And then looking at the third row might be a little hard to see again, but you do have seating for two, making this a 7-passenger CX-9. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. And then back to the rear, you've got a backup camera here. Inside of the trunk is very clean. The third row seating folds into a 50-50 split. The second row folds into a 60-40 split. So that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you the CX-9 today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. As we take a step inside, there is a push button start. I'll go ahead and start the engine. All right, on the left side of the steering wheel, you've got audio controls. On the right-hand side, you've got your cruise control buttons. Coming over to the center, there is a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera shows. There is an AM/FM radio. You do have capabilities for a Mazda navigation screen. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 26 miles per gallon. Coming down underneath of that, you have additional audio and navigation controls. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.